Want to get a check of our forecast back here at home with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith.
Nice day today, Carson, but you say there is a change coming we need to be aware of.
We have that chance for strong to severe storms on Tuesday as a very strong cold front moves through. This morning, it's just fine. It is overcast. Temperature-wise, we're in the upper 50s to low 60s wherever you are. These clouds are going to stay with us all day, but despite the clouds, it is going to be a very warm Monday. That's the view of the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. And all in all, it is a quiet day, but we will have a few spotty showers around. A couple of those showers in South Huntsville for the time being. Very light showers. It is definitely not going to be a washout today. But if you are going to be out and about, maybe you have the day off, keep the umbrella at least nearby. 20% chance for those light showers throughout the day. Otherwise, it stays cloudy and warm. High temperatures for most in the upper 60s. Could touch 70 degrees, though, in a few spots later on today. You'll notice that wind pick up ever so slightly throughout the day. In general, we'll keep that light south breeze around 5 to 10 miles per hour. But you see some of those gusts, especially past sunset tonight, could get closer to 25, maybe 30 miles per hour as that very strong cold front moves in. Now, as far as our storm timing tomorrow, it's one of those odd scenarios where the storms move in during the morning hours. So northwest Alabama, we're talking 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. when the first round of storms rolls through. Here in the Huntsville Metro, 10 a.m. to noon. Same story goes for the I-65 corridor as well. Then finally over northeast Alabama, Scottsboro, Guntersville, Fort Payne along I-59, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. This again is when the first of the storms arrive tomorrow morning. But once the storms get here, they're going to be staying with us throughout the afternoon and maybe into the evening too. This is a classic severe weather setup. Plenty of wind energy to work with, so we'll have those damaging straight line winds around 50 to 60 miles per hour, as well as that chance for a few brief spin up tornadoes right along the line of storms. So both of those are in the medium risk category, and we can't rule out some heavier rain causing flooding in a few localized spots. Here we go with future radar. This is noon today. Just a few light showers around, that is all. Same story goes for this afternoon and tonight. By 6 o'clock Tuesday morning, as we're heading back to the office, for the most part, we are still dry. That will change very quickly. Here come those strong to severe storms arriving in the shoals between 8 and 10 a.m. And that line slowly progresses eastward throughout the late morning into the afternoon hours tomorrow. This initial line of storms likely moves out closer to the evening drive, but the cold front will not have moved through yet. So as we get closer to midnight tomorrow night, right along the front, we'll have to watch for a second round of storms that tries to develop over northeast Alabama. Rainfall forecast, many spots going to see 1 to 2 inches of rain tomorrow. Not expecting widespread flooding concerns, but some ponding on the roadways and maybe a few isolated flooding concerns can't be entirely ruled out. Main concern is still going to be that threat for strong to severe storms. Stay with us here on air and online at waytv.com. Download that Way 31 Storm Tracker weather app as well. 7-day forecast. Once that front moves through, we quiet things down and we cool things down in a big way. Highs only in the 50s starting on Thursday.